Lal Mamun, lecturer of Daulatpur Girls Degree College, Daulatpur, Kustia. I discussed about the pre-modifier. In previous class I discussed about the previous class many kinds of the rules. Now I discussed about also pre-modifier. The next rule, I show the pre-modifier. Past participle as a pre-modifier. Past participle as a pre-modifier. Past participle as pre-modifier. Now here the answer will be the past participle, not the base form, not the adjective, not any other things. So here answer will be the past participle form. For example, I bought dash fish. Here the example, I bought a dash fish. Here I give extra information about the fish. So here answer will be the past participle form. Answer will be the past participle form. The answer will be rotten. I bought a rotten fish. আমি একটু পচা মাছ কিনলাম. Rotten is the past participle form. Rotten is the past participle form, not the base form. So rotten is the correct answer here. And rotten give the extra information about the fish. Extra information about the fish. Use noun as pre-modifier. Use noun as a pre-modifier. Here answer will be the noun, but when we use the noun will be as adjective. The noun will be adjective. For example, I bought ticket. Here we give extra information about the ticket. Now ticket is a noun. Our answer will be noun. Here we can write the correct answer: bus. Here train and many others. Here bus is noun, ticket is also noun. Here is noun, ticket is also noun. Train is noun, ticket is also noun. So bus ticket. When we use bus before the ticket, bus is adjective and ticket is noun. So bus ticket. Train is adjective and ticket is noun. Here ticket, here is adjective and ticket is noun. But when we separated from bus to ticket, ticket is noun, bus is also noun. But when we use combined bus and ticket, bus is used before the ticket, bus is adjective, here is adjective, train is also adjective. So here answer will be noun, bus, here and train. Use determiner. Determiner is many kinds. Now I see article, demonstrative pronoun, quantifier. From determiners we can get article, demonstrative pronoun, quantifier. Now the question asks, or question will be, questions asks determiner, that time our answer will be A and B article, demonstrative, these, that, thus, those, and quantifier, some, many, little, 1, 2, 3 and many other things. Now I show the example. I saw dash man. Here we use article. The answer will be article. A or D. A or D will be the answer. A is correct, D is also correct. Now we give demonstrative pronoun. I saw dash man. Here we use demonstrative pronoun. I saw this man. I saw that man. Here these or that will be the correct answer. That is demonstrative pronoun. This is also demonstrative pronoun. So our answer will be this or that, no problems. Now I show quantifiers. So I saw dash main. I saw dash main. Here main is plural form of man. Many. Main is plural form of man. Now here we use answer 2, 3, 4, some, many and many other things. Here answer will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and etc. And some, many, littles and also will be the correct answer. Now here we use 2, 3, 4, some, many, little and many other things. Here we show 3 kinds of the roles in this class. The next class I will discuss about the next roles. So thank you very much all the students of online class.